Hello, my name is Nikki Wilson. My language is French and my subject major is mechanical engineering. I spent about 10 months in Bordeaux, France, a city near the western coast. I interned at a physical chemistry lab called Centre de Recherche Paul Pascal. My project is entitled Microfluidic Instrumentation for Biochemical Assays at High Throughput. Bit of a mouthful. So this lab focuses pretty heavily on microfluidics, which is essentially chemical experiments inside tiny channels of a silicone chip, which is the image in the upper left-hand corner. That's the microfluidic chip. The fluids are usually pumped through these channels with a syringe pump, which is the picture at the lower right-hand corner. But these usually run about 10,000 euros, give or take. So my job was to find a way to make a syringe pump that was reliable enough for precise data collection, but did not create such a heavy financial burden. What I ultimately did was break down a 3D printer and repurpose the parts, which in the lower right-hand corner is the final product, the syringe pump that I built. So a syringe pump really is just a linear actuator. Most 3D printers have 4 stepper motors that can be turned into linear actuators. So once I put all the parts together, I tested the pumps using spectral analysis. So essentially, I made water droplets inside one of those chips that I mentioned earlier, which is the GIF thing that you're looking at. It's an emulsion of water, which is dyed with fluorescein and oil. The drops would pass over a laser, which would convert that movement into a signal. So it would count the drops that it would make per unit time. And if that signal was consistent, then the pump was sufficiently reliable. This is a super interesting project because engineering is all about optimization, and optimization is most easily achieved when you simplify the system. So Occam's razor. So in this case, we broke down the pump into its simplest components, just horizontal movement, and looked for substitutes currently available. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you at Summit.